Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain, a SEBI registered research analyst. And I told you in my one of the video that I will tell you about where can you find all the economic news about India as well as about international economic news or the calendar. So basically, calendar is very important. You should know when the Fed meet will be conducted. You should know when the monetary policy is going to come. You should know about when all the data, like employment data, is going to come. If you know all of it, you will be well aware, and you'll be able to take a correct decision. Like for example, on a just a day before Fed rate coming up, you should not take your overnight positions. Similarly, if the monetary policy is coming in India, you should not really be in a heavy positions. So all that you will be able to understand and you will be able to take correct decisions. So first, let's go to the Indian economic calendar, and here we go. On the Google, just type the Indian economic calendar and you get tradingeconomics.com. Open it, you will get the India's calendar. Like for example, 24th June, 11 o'clock, there was foreign exchange results. Then you will have on Wednesday, you have M3 money supply. Then 30th of it, you will have government budget value May. Similarly, so on and so forth. You can find out when is the important event happening. So that is probably will help you. Like for example, inflation rate year on year. All of it is going to help you in analyzing and taking a trade. So that was one point that I wanted to cover, and the next point is where you do get the international news. So international economic calendar you will get on fxstreet.com. You get it on fxstreet.com. So go to the fxstreet.com and go to the economic calendar. But before that, what you do, you click here and change it into the Indian time span, right? What is important that the time matches with Indian time frame. A lot of you will just click it and you will not get the exact date or time when the particular news will be coming or particular meeting will be happening. So what you need to do, go down, and you will be able to find, like I have clicked on Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, GMT plus 5:30. This is what you need to accept. 24 hours is okay with us, and here you get all the news, and you get a color code as well. Like this is a very hot topic, like USD. This is in America's durable goods orders. Are they growing? Are they coming down? Whatever is happening, how much will it be interesting the people who are trading? So it is going to be, because the color is red, it's going to be an important event. Similarly, you can find out, like pending home sales, or you can find out unemployment data, you can find out Fed rate coming up, all the data. Like you can see 28th June what's lined up, 29th June what's lined up, and you will get at least 2-3 days in advance information over here. So this is a good place to find out international events that will be happening along with color coding. So if it is a really hot, like an event which is going to impact the Indian stock market or the American stock market, you will find a dark red color over here. So two places I have told you: tradingeconomics.com, where you get the Indian, particularly with respect to the Indian economy, you get all the data. And then I have told you FX Street. FX Street, you're going to get the economic calendar. You can get the economic calendar at investing.com, but I prefer FX Street one because it comes with color code and everything. So you will be able to get much better idea from here what may be affecting Indian market most strongly. So this is what I wanted to share with respect to Indian economic calendar and the international economic calendar. So hope you liked it, and please use these websites. Become a serious trader. Trading is a very serious business. It's something like you open up a shop, you start a startup, or you are doing a job. It's as serious as that. You need to have all the data points, all the information that you can possibly get about the stock market. But I'm not saying base your decision based on that. No, but you must be aware about whatever is happening at the backdrop of the stock market. So keep learning, keep earning. All the best. See you in the next video.